Ever felt like you're trying to build a spaceship with a Lego instruction manual written in ancient Greek? That's what managing NetSuite can feel like sometimes, right? You've invested in this powerful platform, a powerhouse of business management, but instead of streamlined efficiency, you're facing a labyrinth of customizations, user permissions, and data nightmares. You're wondering, where's the magic button? Where's the person who can actually make this thing sing? Let's be honest, you're not alone. You're probably a business owner, a CFO, an IT manager, or someone tasked with making NetSuite work, and you're hitting a wall. You've got sales teams complaining about reporting, finance teams struggling with month-end close, and maybe even your CEO asking why the system that was supposed to solve everything is now creating more problems. You've tried the online forums, watched countless tutorials, and maybe even attempted to decipher the NetSuite documentation, but it's like trying to drink from a fire hose. And then that nagging question pops into your head. Do I need a NetSuite administrator? Is this the solution? Is hiring someone specifically to manage this complex system the key to unlocking its true potential? Well, let's break that down. Let's peel back the layers and understand why you might be feeling this way, and more importantly, whether a dedicated NetSuite administrator is the answer you've been searching for. First, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. NetSuite is powerful. That's why you chose it. But with power comes complexity. It's not a plug-and-play solution. It's a highly customizable platform that requires ongoing maintenance, optimization, and strategic management. Think of it like a high-performance race car. You wouldn't just hand the keys to anyone, would you? You want someone who knows how to tune the engine, adjust the suspension, and navigate the track. The same applies to NetSuite. You need someone who understands the intricacies of the system, who can troubleshoot issues, implement updates, and ensure it aligns with your evolving business needs. Now, let's talk about the telltale signs that you might need a NetSuite administrator. Are you experiencing any of these? Growing user complaints. Are your employees constantly frustrated with NetSuite? Are they struggling to find the information they need, or are they encountering errors and glitches? This is a red flag. A well-managed NetSuite system should empower your team, not hinder them. Data integrity issues. Is your data inconsistent or inaccurate? Are you struggling to generate reliable reports? Data is the lifeblood of your business, and if your NetSuite data is compromised, your decision-making will suffer. Slow system performance. Is NetSuite running sluggishly? Are users experiencing delays and timeouts? This can significantly impact productivity and efficiency. Lack of customization and automation. Are you failing to leverage the full potential of NetSuite's customization and automation features? Are you still relying on manual processes that could be automated? Struggling with updates and releases. Are you finding it difficult to keep up with NetSuite's updates and releases? Are you missing out on new features and improvements? Security concerns. Are you worried about data security and user access controls? Are you confident that your NetSuite data is protected from unauthorized access? Lack of internal expertise. Do you have a team member who is trying to manage NetSuite alongside their other responsibilities? Are they struggling to keep up with the demands of the system? Inefficient reporting and analytics. Are you struggling to generate meaningful reports and insights from your NetSuite data? Are you missing out on valuable business intelligence? Integration challenges. Are you facing difficulties integrating NetSuite with other systems? Are you struggling to achieve seamless data flow across your organization? Missed deadlines and project delays. Are NetSuite-related tasks causing delays in your projects? If you answered yes to several of these questions, it's a strong indication that you need a NetSuite administrator. But what exactly does a NetSuite administrator do? Let's break down their key responsibilities. System configuration and customization. They configure and customize NetSuite to meet your specific business requirements. This includes setting up workflows, creating custom fields and forms, and tailoring the system to your unique processes. User management and security. They manage user accounts, permissions, and roles. They ensure that users have the appropriate access to the system and that data is protected from unauthorized access. Data management and integrity. They ensure the accuracy and consistency of your NetSuite data. They perform data cleansing, migration, and maintenance tasks. System maintenance and troubleshooting. They monitor system performance, troubleshoot issues, and implement updates and patches. Reporting and analytics. They generate reports and dashboards to provide insights into your business performance. Training and support. They provide training and support to users, ensuring they can effectively utilize the system. Integration management. They manage integrations between NetSuite and other systems. Workflow optimization. They create and optimize workflows to automate processes and improve efficiency. Staying current with NetSuite updates. They follow all new updates and changes to the NetSuite platform. Essentially, a NetSuite administrator is the guardian of your NetSuite system. They ensure it's running smoothly, efficiently, and securely. They are the bridge between your business needs and the capabilities of the platform. Now, you might be thinking, can't I just train someone on my existing team to do this? While it's possible, it's often not the most efficient or effective solution. NetSuite administration requires specialized knowledge and skills. It's a full-time job, and it requires someone who is dedicated to staying up to date with the latest NetSuite features and best practices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.